Howdy, Jacob here. Today we're looking at the next company in our dividend yield screener, ticker symbol ETRN, 6.11% dividend yield. So looking pretty attractive from that perspective, but as we know, a lot of times you can find companies that have a high dividend yield but can't really afford it, or the company itself might be not something you're interested in investing in. So first thing, $4.3 billion market cap, almost $11 billion enterprise value. So over double enterprise value as market cap. They have 6.9 billion in long-term debt, which is fairly consistent over the last couple of years. So it's not like they've issued anything too much since 2019, it looks like. Pre-2019, pretty much everything they had from cash from operations they were using on capital expenditures to just upkeep the business. But then since COVID, we have almost 700 million, almost 900 million, and then almost 500 million. So if we assume, oh gosh, it's so different. As for the payout, 318 million. Again, it looks like they can afford that based on the last 3 years, but can they keep those last 3 years margins? I don't know. That's going to be something we're going to have to check. So let's get into some assumptions here. As for revenue growth, I might assume 0%. Maybe the businesses are going to decline, but they're going to acquire businesses. And then I don't think that deserves any sort of margin or any increase. Terminal P and terminal price free cash flow beyond 10. Margins are all over the place here. I do like that they are producing free cash flow. Maybe 30, 15. Share change. Let's assume no share changes. And then I think for now I'm going to assume that these dividends are safe until I look more into it. I think I'm going to assume that it sticks with the 60-cent dividend it has. And with all of these assumptions, it looks like it's going to have to fall 51% before you get a 15% return, given these assumptions. So for me, I think this might just be a short video. I think I'm just waiting on the company to do more research. If you get to a price that you think is attractive, really just see whether these margins can hold or not, or whether that's just due to the price from inflation and price of oil and gas being so expensive recently. So, well, thank you, and hope